good, Badge. That good. Come on then.
Oh. Does that feel better? Does that feel better? Put his head in the ground. Oh, looking at. Oh, look how fluffy he looks, Colin. Doesn't he? He looks lovely. I don't think he should have his collar off for a little while. He looks nice. He looks like a woolly bear. Oh!
Not better, Badge.
I feel nice, Badgie. Hey, you get a nice breakfast now. You don't need them old pills to have a bath, do you?